look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Day, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. So as you guys can see, this is the space we're gonna be working with. I had a little bit going on already, but of course it just looks messy, cluttered, and I just wanted to give it a different look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm pretty sure you've seen snippets at the start, but please stay tuned because I have a lot of boxes from different places, and I would like for you guys to see where I got everything from. So thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I hope you enjoy every bit of it. There are going to be timestamps down below so you can see exactly what you're looking for. So guys, we're going to jump right into the video. I don't know where to start, but I'll start by telling you guys that this video is in collaboration with Linon Home Decor or Linon Furniture. I had mentioned them in a previous haul to show you guys what they sent me, and I'm excited to show you guys everything that I have so that you guys can see. You know, this space is just so cluttered. Look at my husband's desk. It's like a hot mess going on here. So I just want to thank Linon Furniture for collaborating with me on this video, and they actually inspired this makeover. So I'm going to go ahead and start right now. Look, we have a hot mess going on. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start the video right away. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. On this channel, we don't take life too seriously. We do a lot of home decor items. We're not trying to be perfect. We're just trying to enjoy what we are doing. So let's start with just decluttering. I'll just start by decluttering my husband's desk, and while doing that, I'll be kind of watching a movie, taking my time, just doing what I love to do, you know, decluttering. And I don't think he needed all of this, so I'm going to do a lot of throwing away. Like, we had a lot of bags. I don't think I showed you guys in the video, but we have a lot of waste or trash from this decluttering and makeover. So I hope you enjoy it. Please stay back, enjoy, and I'll tell you guys where I got everything from, okay? So stay back and enjoy. This organizer, the black one, was gotten from Walmart.
To get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sad and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give?
So I'm almost done decluttering my husband's desk. I was watching my movie, I was chilling, you know, I was just excited to get done with this makeover. After cleaning my husband's desk, I'm going to clean my desk and then set up the Linon desk that they sent to me. Guys, please stay tuned for that desk because I am super excited. Okay, so guys, I hope you're already enjoying the video so far. If you are, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, and of course share this video to inspire somebody. Let's keep watching. So for this whole transformation, I'm going to be using some furniture from Amazon, as you guys saw from the start of the video, and I'm also going to be using the furniture from Linon Home Decor. So guys, so I was taking this desk out so that I could create space, and I was just cleaning the little rug that I had. The rug that I had initially was a 4x6 rug, so I was gonna replace it. But right now, I'm just pushing out all those boxes that I had in this space, cleaning, and then we're going to replace it with this rug, this beautiful rug. This rug was just $30, and I got it from not Walmart, but Ross. Yes.
When I'm sleeping with someone new.
Finally, our desk from Linon Home Decor. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this personalized message they had for me. That was so sweet of them. Thank you guys so much. So this desk is so easy to put together. It has a weight capacity of about 100 pounds on top, with each drawer being about 25 pounds. The desk is very versatile in where you can place it and how you can style it. It has 2 storage drawers, and all that is needed is the leg assembly. Very easy. It is also available in black, navy blue, and gray, with all having gold legs. I'm going to link them down in the description box below. Look at how beautiful and easy this is. I'm amazed. Again, thank you, Linon Home Decor, for collaborating with me on this one. I really like the desk. Anyway, let's get over to putting together the shelves I got from Amazon. This black and white shelf was amazingly so easy to put together, and the white and gold, I would advise you to get someone to help you, but I did it by myself, not because I'm an expert, just because I was determined to do this. So I would rather you get someone to help you. But yeah, these ones were gotten from Amazon. I'll link them down in the description box below as well.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping.
So this is what everything looks like after being put together. The shelves from Amazon, the desk from Linon Home Decor, my beautiful rug from Ross. The black and white shelf from Amazon, I didn't put it up the way they wanted it. I didn't add 2 rods that were supposed to be at the back because I like it like that. And I have the desk that was initially on my side. I brought it here for the kids' workstation, and I added some contact paper. And here I have all the decor items I will be needing for the decor. So guys, are you excited? Because I'm ready to start decorating.
Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. That'd be many.
So if you watched up to this point, I just want to say thank you so much. Please comment office down below. I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. I don't know if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share with somebody to inspire them in one way or the other to transform their office space. Again, if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you. I appreciate you so much for always supporting your girl. You're a red gem. Like, I don't know what I would have done without you, but thank you. I don't know. I'm just so appreciative of all of you. I just want to say thank you. Every single piece that I use for the decor here, I would tell you is from Ross. I don't think I got anything from anywhere else. Most of them I already had. Some of them are new. Some of them have just been sitting around in this office, lingering around, having nowhere to go. But because I've done this transformation, I am so excited because I have where to put them. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you're liking it so far. If you are, don't hesitate to tell me something beautiful down below. I'll love to see it. Please stay tuned and keep on watching for the final review, and I'll take you guys on the beautiful tour.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot.